The ANC is of the view that the Electoral Court does not have jurisdiction to determine the trademark infringement, hence it approached the High Court. It contends that the disbandment of the uMkhondo weSizwe military wing in 1993 doesn't mean the ANC stopped enjoying the right to the goodwill of the name and its history.
From that date, the 24th of November, I wasn't involved, but the ANC understood. Listen, we're barking up the wrong tree. We're in the wrong place about this. They launch in the right, which is that the ANC actually had a choice. It could have gone the electoral route because it had an earlier registered name with the electoral bodies, which was very similar to the one that MK sought to register, and it had a registered trademark right. And so the question is now there does seem to be some overlapping jurisdiction in that it can pull either of these levers.
The MK party told the Supreme Court of Appeal that the ANC waived its rights to oppose the matter when it failed to appeal the Electoral Court's decision. It contends that the ANC cannot just shift from the Electoral Court to the High Court after an adverse outcome at the Electoral Court.
It didn't challenge the dismissal of its appeal by the IEC. And that's why we say it acquiesced, it waived its rights. It then accepted, oh well, it is what it is. MK will continue and so on, and it folded its arms. Until the 16th of December, when President Zuma made an announcement that he is now going to vote for MK. Then it woke up again from its slumber and basically now wanted to challenge that which it had preempted. And I'm using that word loosely as well. In other words, the appeal at the IEC was preempted by the ANC.
The MK party further argued that the formation of the MK party is a sign of disassociation from the ANC.
The forming of MK party is an act of disassociation. It's not an act of association. It's saying don't vote for the ANC, vote for us. They're not saying, no, vote for us, but you know, we're all in the same club and all that. They are doing the exact opposite of that. And if you read former President Zuma's speech that my learned friend referred to, that's the gist of what it says. It says, I'm not going to vote for the ANC. I'm calling all of South Africans not to vote for the ANC.
Judgment has been reserved. Makhala Masideng, SABC News, Bloemfontein.